stomatal movement theory explained by ion flux movement. Ion flux movement is also called ion flux theory. Stomatal complex opened or closed by ion flux theory. According to ion flux theory, the God cells are contains high levels of potassiums ions, and subsidiary cells all contains high levels of hydrogen ions. During the daytime, chloroplast pigments are participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. The prepared food material starch convert into glucose. The glucose dissolved in the cytoplasm of the God cell. At the same time, the cytoplasm of God cells containing high concentrations of sugar solutions, the God cell potassium ions are moves to outside. Moves to outside means moves to subsidiary cells. At the same time, subsidiary cells hydrogen ions moves to or enter into the God cells. Enter into the God cells. During these movement of ions, the stoma will open. The stoma will open during the daytime. And at the same night time, chloroplast pigments cannot prepare food material by the photosynthesis. They cannot prepare starch. But if any glucose molecules are present in this God cells, they are converted into starch by the enzymes. The starch cannot dissolve in the cytoplasm of the God cell. So during the night time, there is no sugar levels in the cytoplasm of the God cell. During the night time, at the same time, calcium ions are stopped. Calcium ions stopped the movement of potassium and hydrogen ions. Potassium and hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions and potassium ions cannot move to outside, cannot move to inside of the God cells or subsidiary cells by the calcium ions. So there is no movement of potassium ions, there is no movement of hydrogen ions during the night time, and the stoma will be closed during the night time. According to ion flux theory, ions are easily moved during the daytime. Potassium ions moves to subsidiary cells and hydrogen ions moves to God cells through the plasmodesmata based on the concentrations of the sugar solutions. So during these movement of ions during the daytime, the stoma will be opened during the daytime. And during the night time, there is no sugar levels in the cytoplasm of God cells. So movement of ions are also stopped by copper. Movement of ions are also stopped by the calcium chemicals. So there is no movement of ions and there is no high concentration of sugar levels. Based on these movement of sugar solutions and ion movement, the stoma will be closed during the night time. The stoma will be closed during the night time. It is ion flux theory.